Discover a future where biotech and innovation collide in a world brimming with wonders and challenges. Buckle up for an epic journey through bioengineering and adventure, folks. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our mind-blowing content. As we start weaving biology into the fabric of technology, we unlock the power to rewrite the very essence of existence itself. Picture a realm where organ farms thrive, powered by artificial wombs operated by governments to keep population numbers in check. Imagine robots fused with biological components and genetically tweaked humans who can perform miraculous healing with just a touch. This mind-blowing universe is the realm of biotech. But what will the environmental impact be when humans take the reins of life engineering? What if these interventions turn us into an invasive species? And what clandestine experiments are bioenthusiasts, those rogue biohackers, conducting away from the prying eyes of regulators? As we delve into manipulating the human body at such a fundamental level, we might find ourselves evolving into an entirely new life form, a transformation that disconnects us from our own humanity and places us as masters of nature rather than its stewards. This journey kicks off with bioprinting. It's not just an evolution of 3D or 4D printing, it's a leap into the future, swapping out inert materials like plastic or metal for living cells, aka bio-inks. Layer by layer, these cells have the jaw-dropping ability to grow and interweave, forging living biological structures. Bioprinting breathes life into creation, bringing the alchemist's dream into the modern era. Think about the basic level applications: bioprinted eyes and corneas, follicles battling baldness, custom cosmetic tests, and even aiding wound healing. And as we plunge deeper into the future, bioprinting aims to manufacture 3D printed coral reefs, providing sanctuary to marine life, aiding in reviving damaged ecosystems, or setting up robotic space stations that double as bioprinting factories, taking advantage of microgravity efficiency. When the spotlight turns to the human body, we step into the era of bioprinted organs. These babies are grown within organ farms to sidestep the challenges of donor shortages. Alternatively, a patient's own cells can be harnessed to generate miniature organs or organoids, serving as platforms for medical testing. Welcome to Phase 2 of human evolution, where biology intertwines with technology, turning today's dreams into tomorrow's realities. Before official admin and bioprinted prosthetic limbs, they're designed to seamlessly integrate with the individual, using living tissues to enhance the host body's integration. Experiments are underway in cybernetics, where electronics are implanted into bioprinted parts, creating cybernetic organs more advanced than the natural ones. For instance, bioprinted lungs implanted with sensors and nanofilters to scrub toxins from the air before they hit the bloodstream, or bionic eye replacements with built-in zoom capabilities. Patients sporting infrared vision from these experimental bionic eyes start reporting paranormal sightings after losing their sight in accidents. An ex-archaeologist gets a bionic cornea transplant and, with vision restored, begins experiencing hallucinations, claiming to see the past and believing they're uncovering buried secrets that could rewrite history. Meanwhile, in another corner of the globe, an unknown disease wreaks havoc in certain regions. A group of scientists turns to bioprinting to create a new type of skin capable of resisting the disease. Some praise the scientists' efforts, while others question whether these individuals with different skin types still belong to the human race. Returning to the most fundamental concept of biotech, we step into the realm of living architecture, where buildings are crafted with bioengineered materials that can self-repair, purify the air, absorb pollutants, and even reproduce. These buildings are constructed with adhesives inspired by geckos and coral reefs, resulting in eco-friendly concrete. Some of these new buildings are even powered by biological batteries that use components like bacteria to store and generate energy. However, concerns arise about planned obsolescence, with companies engineering their biomaterials to degrade after a set period. In a world where luxury knows no bounds, a new technological marvel has emerged. At the top of shimmering biostructures, lavish apartments flaunt walls adorned with biosculpture art. Here, bioartists wield the tools of life itself, employing living tissue and advanced bioprinters to create ever-evolving masterpieces of living art. Next to the azure embrace of the ocean, these futuristic dwellings stand resilient against the relentless march of rising sea levels and stormy waves, thanks to the ingenious creation of living marine defenses. Genetically modified corals and muscular bivalves are intertwined into powerful living barricades that thrive and self-regenerate, protecting our coastal citadels with their ever-expanding embrace. Illuminating the streets with an otherworldly glow, bioengineered plants, bacteria, and algae have supplanted traditional streetlights with their soft bioluminescent shimmer, reminiscent of enigmatic creatures from the deep sea. However, in the serene tranquility of a small town where these bioluminescent beacons once stood as silent sentinels, a mysterious affliction has plunged the landscape into darkness. It becomes a race against time for botanists and engineers to unravel the mystery behind the neon glow failure and resurrect the city's light, while whispers of conspiracy suggest a malevolent biohack. Meanwhile, a robotics company unveils its latest innovation, a robot encased in a dazzling bioluminescent sheath. The company's trials, implanting the robot to guide museum visitors through cultural exhibits, incite public speculation. Could human skin be the next frontier for biohack? But against the backdrop of the cityscape, underground biohackers are already pushing the boundaries, experimenting on their own flesh with clandestine microchip implants and digital tattoos that display their online personas. These renegade cyberpunks and biohackers operate in the shadows, evading government regulations. They've crafted biocomputers made of biomaterials and living neural tissue that bridge between technology and nature. Bypassing security protocols, they seek the thrill of extreme and unsanctioned neural experiments, even using their own DNA as storage devices. Welcome to the future, a tapestry woven from the very fabric of biology and technology. Beneath the concrete veins of the city streets, a new clandestine world thrives. Here, in this modern arena of innovation and ambition, biohackers are the new alchemists. They engineer grapevines that undergo rapid fermentation transformation into wine and craft unregulated foods, immune to pests, diseases, and allergens. The talk of the town revolves around perpetually renewable food vessels, living organisms with regenerative abilities that endlessly renew their supply, promising an endless bounty of sustenance. These biohackers, fueled by curiosity and an insatiable appetite for the unconventional, have embarked on ventures to cryogenically freeze each other. They've been dubbed cryonic punks, seeking life beyond the cessation of heartbeats. Bioluminescent imbued pets accompany them, their eerie glow casting shadows through the city nights, and whispers abound about chimeric animals, a nod to the Greek myth of the beast that spews fire with the body of a lion, the head of a goat, and the tail of a serpent. In this brave new world, corporations overshadow older bionic models, forcing users to upgrade and sparking debates about bodily autonomy. Do we own our limbs, or do corporations? Advanced bioprinted prosthetics seamlessly merge with the body's nervous system, empowering users with natural control and long-lost sense of touch. In the realm of defense, the concept of super soldiers is no longer confined to comic books. Governments employ bionic limbs to enhance their militaries, pushing the limits of human ability. A young person paralyzed by tragedy takes their first steps again, supported by a biological exoskeleton, each device engraved with a unique identification number. Under government oversight, scientists delve into the realm of artificial wombs, unveiling ectogenesis technology ready to reshape the very nature of human birth. As infertility plagues humanity, these artificial vessels emerge as beacons of hope, with affluent individuals outsourcing childbirth to expansive uterine farms and governments seeking to combat population decline through their own facilities. Conspiracies swirl around the vision of a dictator exploiting this technology, producing heirs in pursuit of an immortal dynasty. But the potential of artificial womb technology extends beyond mere reproduction. Military applications, space colonization, and the resurgence of endangered species, these are the frontiers greeted by the dawn of ectogenesis, painting a picture of a world where life begins not only in the warmth of a womb, but in the cradle of innovation. At the forefront of biotechnological advancements, scientists research the prolongation of gestation, envisioning a future where artificial wombs not only nurture but enhance the unborn through extended development timelines. The profound implications on cognitive and physical abilities are imagined, a vanguard for human evolution. The bio-robot hybrid emerges as the next trillion-dollar industry. These wonders infuse robotic precision with biological tissue, achieving unparalleled energy efficiency and flexibility. A pioneering company in biomimetic robots that seamlessly blend with nature, interacting with wildlife, marketed for environmental surveillance or biological research, but their potential as invasive species or tools of covert espionage casts a shadow of concern. These hybrid automatons could, in theory, be the harbingers of more secretive invasions, violating national sovereignties as government-implanted biohybrid creatures infiltrate foreign lands. In the darkest corners of this future, biohybrid robots capable of producing harmful bacteria and viruses represent both a scientific pinnacle and a potential Pandora's box. However, in the face of a disaster, such as a bionuclear catastrophe, biohybrid robots immune to radiation could provide humanity's salvation, exploring resources, rescuing survivors, and cleaning up biological hazards. The first biorobot carrying DNA archives could potentially restore extinct species, acting as a beacon of hope for lost biodiversity. The real-life X-Men, or neo-humans, mainly from biohacker communities, are no longer seen as purely human. These new beings, born of a biological lottery, pioneer alterations from insect-repelling pheromones to vocal cords that sing beyond human capabilities. They become living art exhibits, their skin a canvas for environmentally responsive biofabricated pigments. The concept of growing food on or within the body itself takes root, as Navy biohackers experiment with genes from marine animals, craving for underwater breathing capabilities. A new era Wolverine with biologically enhanced collagen for fracture resistance and rapid regenerative abilities brings comic book fantasies closer to reality. Aging backward, manipulating telomeres, and cellular regeneration are no longer myths, as bioengineers strive to unravel the secrets of eternal youth. Some claim the ability to split their consciousness through organic brain enhancements, enabling unprecedented multitasking. And one unique individual claims to heal others through touch, transferring regenerative cells, epitomizing the therapeutic potential of this biotechnological rebirth. At the confluence of nature's design and human ingenuity, we stand on the brink of recoding life itself, ushering in the next epoch of human evolution, where the boundaries between organic and engineered, natural and synthetic, blend into a new existence. This speculative future, rich in promises and perils, presents profound ethical, environmental, and existential questions for humanity to navigate as the architects of our own evolution. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to follow more amazing content about biotechnology and futurology. Leave your comment below sharing your ideas and theories for the next episode. See you soon, future explorers.